scandal, part diary, part confessional. He had not logged an entry since April 6th. Have to get a new book soon, he thought, thumbing the few blank pages that were left. He thought bemusedly for a moment of Margaret Mitchell's first draft of Gone with the
Exactly.
I will.
Okay. You guys are really,
Jesus Christ!
Holy shit. Listen, Julian, you got yourself a dozen, right?
Understand the present. From NPR and WBEZ Chicago, this is Wait, Don't Tell Me, the NPR News Quiz. I'm Bill Curtis, playing this week with Tom Coffin, Aiden Farsad, and Paula Poundstone. And here again,
I can't believe they actually turned in front of you.
I like the umpteen bits of chain link that you really want to receive that lever from. The inside of the link, you've got contacts with the chain link and the sprockets at the back, so that's where you want to be applying that lube. Now you just want to run the chain around on that shock tail afterwards, so you just don't draw any.
Online. Visit expressvpn.com/locale, expressvpn.com/locale to get 3 extra months free on a 1-year package. expressvpn.com/locale.
Prescription products require an online consultation with a healthcare provider and appointment given with the provider determines the prescription is appropriate. Subscription required. See website for full details and important safety information.
Hey guys, good news. The outrageously expensive little blue pill is now generic, which means you can get the prescription medication to treat ED at affordable prices. And hence, makes it extra affordable. You pay just $30 for a month's supply. And right now, get your first online doctor's visit totally free when you go to forhims.com/Patriot. That's right, free. Zero copay, no expensive appointments, no awkward face-to-face conversations to get your prescription. Hims connects you to doctors online who can evaluate you and, if appropriate, prescribe your ED medication. And a pharmacy sends it right to your door. Hims makes it affordable, private, and incredibly easy. Nobody like...
Perhaps the first man ever to eat himself out of house and home. One by one, all his treasure and possessions and even his palace was sold off to buy food. But still this wasn't enough, for nothing could appease his colossal...
Wrong way! Turn right. Turn right. Turn right.
Just go next to them. Tell them.
You're on a one-way street.